Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create repeater fields multi-level nested with Piotnet Addons formatter form builder. You can buy Piotnet Addons at pafe.piotnet.com. This is the order form and this acceptance field. I use conditional logic, and this is a repeater fields. You can add more or remove. And this is a sub repeater. You can check out which type or Woocommerce. You can see template.json file of this demo at Piotnet Addons website pafe.piotnet.com. You can see Stripe payment or Woocommerce tutorial at here. And now let's begin. You can use Elementor section or inner section to make repeater, sub-repeater, and any Elementor widget to make remove button, add more button. As you can see, you have to create two sections. The first section is a repeater, and it contains outfield and remove button. And the second section contains add more button. And if you want to create a form like this, you have to put a calculated field into the second section, and in first section you also have to add a calculated field. Now create two sections. First section is a repeater section. Edit section and go to PAFE tab, form builder, repeater, form ID and repeater ID, test. You have to enter form ID, repeater ID and repeater label. Now go to PAFE form builder and put a field into repeater section. Enter form ID. and you have to create a remove button in repeater section. You can use any widget. Edit remove button and go to PAFE tab. Form builder repeater trigger enable. Form ID, repeater ID, repeater test, and action is remove. And in second section you create add more button. You have to delete the link and go to PAFE tab. Form builder repeater trigger, action add, and check it out now. Add more, remove, and now create sub repeater. You also create two sections into repeater section. And put a field to sub repeater. Sorry. Edit sub repeater section and go to PAFE tab, enable repeater test sub and add a remove button. You can duplicate this remove button. And then edit the repeater ID. And then in the section, the second section, add more button, and you have to edit repeater ID. Now you can add more, remove, more. Okay, now check my form. The first section is a repeater, and the second section contains add button and calculated fields of all repeater price. In repeaters, you have to create a calculated fields, and you enter calculation. And in the second section, you enter calculation, either shortcode or price. And in total calculated field, you enter calculation is calculated fields in repeater, and this is a total equal total pizza and total drink. And I use conditional logic for this section. If you want to show this section, if a certain pizza repeater, check it. Please edit this section, PAFE tab, and go to form builder, conditional logic. If you want to show high or set value for a field, please use this feature, edit field, and use conditional logic. But you want to show high the section or any Elementor widget, you should use this feature. Enter the field ID, pizza enable, check it. You can add more conditional logic. You can view my tutorial about Stripe payment or Woocommerce payment at pafe.piotnet.com, feature from builder, and scroll down to tutorial, Stripe payment, and submit widget Woocommerce, add to cart, dynamic price, check out with Woocommerce. Piotnet Addons for Elementor Form Builder has many features. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. You can buy my Piotnet Addons for Elementor at pafe.piotnet.com.